And the next stop is the Notre Dame du Finistère Church.
You said that very well. I wouldn't have done that. I'd have been like, the church.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless.
Hi, I'm Roger.
And I'm Yecenia.
And welcome to Brussels Belgium. We're at the Grand Place in the city center in Brussels, a must-see. It's 15th century buildings with quick pan.
Look at it, look at it, look at it. So pretty.
Pardon the sun.
Yeah.
But make your way out here. Great spot to visit. A lot of tourists out here, but it's expected. It's beautiful no matter which direction you look. 360 pan.
Yeah. It's definitely a walking city, so you can kind of get to everything and see everything in like a day or two.
Yeah. I know. It's all good.
I thought he was falling on a waffle bike. I was like, wow,
Yeah.
that's a long fall.
So we're going to continue to give you a tour of the city. Please hit that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. And again, thank you for joining us on this journey. So we're out here at the, what do you call it, Manneken this?
Manneken piece. It stands for...
Little pee-pee boy?
I don't think that's quite the translation.
Yeah.
Something to that effect. The boy that pees, or man that pees.
Yeah, not sure what the fascination is with it. If you know, let us know in the comments and put the information down.
I suppose it's the novelty of it. But it's funny, we'll maybe put some pictures in the video, but we just passed by a cute little donut shop and I was like, those donuts look yummy. and then I got a little closer and noticed that they were...
Yeah.
That's cute. It was creative.
Yeah, it is creative. Again, still not sure what the fascination is. I'm sure we'll Google it as we're walking, but still enjoying the city of Brussels. Again, thank you for being on this journey.
is the Notre Dame de Finistère Church.
You said that very well. I wouldn't have done that. I'd have been like, the church. Okay, so thanks for watching. Continue to subscribe. Hit that like button. Thank you for joining us on this journey.
I'm a hiatus. I'm a hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.